What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Aergo token on Coinbase. And in this video we will show you how to buy it. For the first step you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So definitely check that out. After that you can log into your account and you will arrive at this homepage. And as you can see, we have a price chart over here from our current wallet. I don't have much crypto on this wallet because I store it on an offline wallet. But at the right top you have a search bar. Click on it and just type in Aergo. And here you can find the Aergo token. Just select it and now you are at the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here. You can set it on an hour time frame, a daily time frame, a weekly time frame, or a monthly time frame, or even longer. For now we will leave it on this because we just want to buy these tokens, and we have three options: buy, sell and convert. For now we use the buy option, and you also can select the order type. You have a one-time order, so you will buy a certain amount of coins for a certain amount of money for just one single time, and you are using the current market price, so the price it is at the moment right now. But you can also set it on a recurring buy, and then you will set up a automatic purchase on a daily base, weekly base or a monthly base. For now we will leave it on a one-time order, and we need to fill in the amount we would like to spend on this order. Let's say 1000 euros. After that you will see appearing the amount of tokens we are receiving for this purchase. Now you can select the payment method over here. Just click on it and select the preferred payment method. If it's not in this list, you can add a new payment method by clicking this button down below. And after that we will go back and review our order. Always double check your order before purchasing, because it's very important you don't fill in too much euros or buying too less coins. Now I will give you guys a very useful tip. If you would like to save yourself a lot of money on trading on Coinbase, you can save yourself the transaction fee. As you can see, we are paying 38 euros on transaction fees for this order. And if you use the Coinbase One subscription, it's completely free, so you don't pay any transaction fees. You can try it out for free for 7 days. After that it is 25 euros a month, so definitely worth it to try it out. Once you have decided to buy these coins, you can click on the buy now button here, and the coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!